Alright, today we're going to do a packet tracer for CIS 102. We're going to do d2-822. Let's get this loaded up. Alright, on this one they're going to have us install some firewalls. So let's start off by configuring firewall 1. Let's get rid of... no, I don't want to delete that. Let's delete router A here and move firewall 1 into place. And then connect to the internet. To the switch. Alright, so then we're going to go into the router here, and we're going to enter its command line, and we're going to say enable, and configure, and then interface. Now if the IP address on this one is going to be 209.165.200.225, and the subnet mask of 3 sets of 255 and 224. Right, I have to tell it IP address. And then no shut. And then exit. Go to the next interface. I have to check the IP address on that one because I'm not 100% on my remembering on what it is. Let's see, 192.168.1.1. Okay. Okay, and let's see, exit, and then show run, and then there's our IP address 00 and 01. Alright, and then let's go ahead and copy run start. To save our configuration changes. Alright. So that should be good on that one. So let's get rid of router C here and move firewall 2 into place. Alright. And then plug that into 03. From here into 01. Alright, and then get into the command line on here. Okay. We will then go into interface. Give it an IP address. I know it's 192.168. I have to check, because I know it's 1.3 or 3.1 for these. Let's see. We are on 01, so we need to do 1.3. Let's do the no shut on that. Let's see, exit. And then interface. It's 3.1 for this one. So we go back up to here, and 3.1, 255.255.255.0. Enter, and no shut on this one as well. Command D to exit. And let's do show run. There we have our Ethernet ports configured. They match the configuration on the paper. Alright, let's go ahead and do a copy, run, start. Alright, let's do a couple of connection tests. It's PCB here. Get into the desktop on it. And we're going to ping 209.165.200.225. Alright, so PCB here can connect to the internet. Now there's a server they want us to connect to inside here somewhere. Okay, ping 192.3.10. Now they expect this one to just time out, but for some reason it gives me destination host unreachable. Maybe because I did no shut on those IP ports. Alright. So, PCC, we're going to ping this command prompt. Alright, so PCC, let's go into the desktop command prompt and go ping 192.168.2.10. Alright, and we get a response from that. Well, let's try pinging the outside network. That's strange. Shouldn't have timed out. 209.165.200.225. There we go. That's probably my problem. Yep. Helps if I'm pinging the right IP address. Alrighty. So then let's check the results here. Should have completion on everything. Alright. Everything's plugged in. Correct subnet masks. I'm assuming that this means correct. I was supposed to have the test fail. Alright, and that'll do it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up and get started on another one.